Present perfect tense part 2. 26. I dash from him since last week. The correct answer is option B. Haven't heard. 27. They dash the game. Have won. 28. He dash his leg. Has broken. 29. We dashed this song before. Have heard. 30. She dashed a lot since morning. Has worked. 31. Does she ever ridden a horse? Has. 32. I dash my wallet. The correct answer is option C. Have lost. 32. They dashed to the gym today. The correct answer is option B. Haven't gone. Question number 34. We dash a decision. Have made. Question number 35. Dash you read that book yet? Have. 36. I dash this movie already. Have seen. 37. She dash her hair. Has cut. 38. Dash you ever eaten sushi? Have. 39. He dash his job. Has lost. 40. We dashed to New York twice. We have been. 41. They dash already arrived. Have. 42. I dash with him before. Have worked. 43. She dashed the window. Has opened. 44. The children dash to bed. Have gone. 45. I dash my passport. Have lost. 46. Dash has taken the medicine. Has. 47. We dash lunch. Have had. 48. He dash all the chocolates. Has eaten. 49. They dash to school today. Haven't gone. 50. I dash enough sleep. Haven't got. Like, share, follow, and give me idea for next quiz.